My name is Reinier Huppener. I'm the owner from Inpro, and I'm standing in front of the Combi-Eco new design. In the previous videos, I've shown you how to connect the machine and how to adjust the settings if needed. Now I'm going to tell you some more about preventive and normal maintenance. First of all, the oil of the high pressure pump must, after half a year, be changed for a fresh one. That only needs to be done with a new pump. After a while, it's possible you have to adjust the chain. The chain must be able to lift like this, more or less. When it's too loose, you can tension it up here. The other chain can also be loosened. That means it should be like this, more or less. When it's too loose, then it's not good for the machine and the sprocket could be damaged. You have to adjust it here by unball this and ball this one, so you tighten the chain so it has a good tension. That is important. So then you have tensions the chain. After 1 year, so you need to put some grease in the bearings. Next to the preventive maintenance, it's possible by tear and wear that after a longer time some parts are broken or worn out. For example, these glide blocks on both sides, the plastic wheel, you can easily unbolt, take out one and put on the new glide blocks or wheels. Also, the nozzles, very easy to take out. If you need a new sensor, then you take out the sensor, take out the cable from the electric box, and there you go. The same with the up and down sensor. So it's very easy and simple to keep this machine for a long run in a good shape, but also if you need to change some parts, it's very simple to do so. That's why we say simplicity in performance. When you have the feeling the sensor is not working, you can test it by holding a metal piece in front of the sensor as if it is a screen, and then the light should go up. Also, somebody else has to check in the electric box if the relay is lighting up. When both are lighting up, then the sensor is okay. If not, then or the relay or the sensor can be broken. This is the relay for the down sensor, and this is the relay for the up sensor. So you can easily test if the relay is okay and the sensor is okay. When the sensors are okay and the cassette is not moving up and down, then it can be possible that you have to adjust the clutch from the gearbox on the back side, and I will show you how to do this. Then you have to test if the motor is running, if the ventilator of the motor is running, and you don't see this X turning. With the key delivered with the machine, you have to untension the spring, maybe 3 or 4 times, till the time you can move by hand the cassette up and down. So if you can move this up, then you know it's released. Position the cassette in the middle and then go backwards. Tighten the clutch the 3 or 4 times, plus an extra 3 or 4 times, that you can just not be able to lift the cassette anymore on that border. And then everything should be able to work. If that's not working, then there's a big chance the clutch is broken and you need to order a new clutch. I've shown you now how to adjust several settings and do the preventive maintenance. So you get a long run, a long time pleasure of using the Combi-Eco.